My name is Tanny and I love to cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous air fryer grilled barbecue chicken for the days you need to cook indoors instead of outdoors on your grill. It is so good. This is good. Woo. So this is my chicken. My chicken legs are washed and I'm going to dry them off before I put them in my marinade plastic bag. These are the seasonings I'm using: poultry seasoning, black pepper, garlic, onion, seasoning salt, grapeseed oil. You can use the neutral oil of your choice, so it could be olive oil, soybean oil, sunflower seed oil. I'm using liquid smoke for the smoky flavor. The smoked paprika is for flavor as well as the beautiful color. I'm using coconut aminos. You want some kind of dark sauce that will help these chicken legs to caramelize in the air fryer to simulate what you would get on the grill. You might use soy sauce or teriyaki sauce would be delicious. And then of course I have barbecue sauce and steak sauce because this is barbecue chicken in the air fryer. So you can use your favorite steak sauce or barbecue or mix them together as I'm doing here. So next up is to put our chicken in our bowl and season it. I'm adding half of my chicken, so 4 legs, to my marinating bag in the bowl, and I'm going to season this layer first with all the seasonings that I showed you in the previous clip. Then I'll add the next 4 pieces of chicken into the same bag and then re-season it. That way I can ensure every piece is adequately seasoned, and I'll massage the marinade and the seasonings in the bag. It's always so sad when you're prepared to grill outside and then it rains or it's too windy and you can't do what you want it to do. But this air fryer really takes your chicken a step above oven bacon, almost to the point of being like grilled outside on a charcoal grill or a gas grill. But of course you don't get the nice charcoal flavor, which I do miss. But this is a nice alternative, especially with the smoked paprika, some smoked sea salt that we'll add at the end, and the liquid smoke. It adds a nice flavor to it, so it's really enjoyable. You can switch up your seasonings. If it's something I use that you don't like, leave it out. You can add lemon pepper, you can add jerk seasoning, whatever your heart's desire is. You can season your chicken your way. Just be careful with the amount of sodium you use and you'll be okay. So now I'm just massaging the marinade. You can marinate this overnight, but I'm not. I'm just going to let it sit in the bag for just a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to turn my air fryer on to 22 minutes at 360 degrees. I am going to actually increase the temperature at the end because I like my chicken extra crispy, even when it's grilled. So I'm not crowding my air fryer pan. So just 4 pieces at a time. The amount of time it takes to cook will be different depending on your air fryer. So now I've let mine cook halfway through. So I'm going to add some of my steak sauce. You can see it's already very beautiful, but I'm just drizzling in a bit of steak sauce. And then I'm going to shake the pan again to evenly distribute that sauce. A little more sauce for good measure. Make sure everything is covered. And then close it back up. So now that I have just about 6 minutes left in the air fryer, I'm going to open it again and look at it now. You can see that beautiful color. It's starting to get a little bit charred. That's exactly what I want to see. But now I'm going to add my barbecue sauce. It'll add another layer of flavor and sauce that can be caramelized in the air fryer as it finishes cooking the last few minutes. How long it takes also depends on the size of your chicken legs. Some are much smaller, some are much bigger. So you want to be sure you have a meat thermometer. Here I'm raising my temperature up to 400 degrees so that it cooks more on the outside. So once it finishes, ooh,
look at that. It's so exciting, y'all. You want to take your meat thermometer and make sure your chicken comes up to 175 degrees Fahrenheit to mean it's fully cooked all the way through. Come on, 175. It's almost getting there. And there we are. So here's our first batch of chicken. Don't nobody tell me my chicken is burnt. I like my skin extra dark. So I'm just gonna add some sea salt here. This is a nice little step whenever you fry or cook something at high temperatures to add salt at the end. So this is the next batch. You'll notice I didn't cook this as darkly. So if you don't want your chicken as dark as mine, you can certainly cook it to your level of enjoyment. Just make sure the internal temperature reaches at least 175 degrees, and then plate it up and look at these beautiful chicken legs. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.